The only reason these two are getting to eat is because my cat's asleep, okay? It's a little couple. If I'm not mistaken, these are purple finches. They're awfully cute. Why are you... Mama is mad because she is fussing at Daddy, let me tell you. What'd he do, Mama? He done made you mad today, honey. If I'm not mistaken, yesterday I got a video of their baby. I think it was his first flight. I say that because he looked a little rough and a little wobbly. But Daddy was over here and he was shoveling food in that little baby's mouth. It was so cute. My goodness. But my ridiculous butt, I didn't even realize what was going on. At first I was like, oh my God, why are you being mean? Why are y'all fighting? And then it hit me. That's a baby. They're not fighting. He's putting food in his mouth. It was the cutest darn thing I've seen. My goodness. I was so happy when I realized what was going on and they wasn't fighting. Look at him trying to get that seed in his mouth. Oh, look at him open. He opened it right up. That's so cool. I love nature, y'all. I do. God's creation is just the coolest thing. Look at him. He's over here and he pulls it right out. Oh, goodness, girl. I swear I can't get it together with a camera. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I don't know what's wrong with me. Look, watch that. He opens it right up with that beak. God knew what he was doing with every little thing. But don't you dare try to say that he put Trump in office, because that is blasphemy. And by God, it's using God's name in vain. So don't do it, darling. Y'all have a good day now.